Welcome to Robotics. So today we're exploring how robotics and coding can kickstart your child's future and technology. By the end of this video, you'll see just how exciting and accessible these skills are and why they are crucial for the innovators of tomorrow. Robotics and coding are the backbones of innovations in industries like healthcare, space exploration, and entertainment. So by learning these skills, kids not only develop problem-solving skills and creativity, but also they gain a competitive edge for the future. Let's start with robotics. Here's a beginner kit that helps kids understand the basics of building and programming robots. This is the motor. This is what makes the robot move. Sensors like this help the robot see its environment. We are putting the pieces together step by step, and once we connect it to our program, then it will come to life. Now let's have a look into coding. With our in-house application like RoboThink, this makes it easy for beginners with drag and drop blocks to write their first program. Coding builds logical thinking and teaches kids how to break down problems into manageable steps. The world is rapidly evolving, and skills like robotics and coding are in high demand. They teach adaptability, critical thinking, and innovation, traits that prepare kids for careers we can't even imagine yet. This journey is not just about learning, it's about empowerment. If you're excited about this journey, then why wait? Join us at RoboThink for hands-on robotics and coding classes that ignite curiosity and build a foundation for success. Click the link in the description to learn more or sign up for a trial lesson.